Welcome to the workshop at the Concord Free Public Library. My name is Christy, and I'm here today to show you how to safely operate the workshop's angle grinder. Let's start with the safety notes. This tool has moving parts that may catch on loose objects or materials. Before using the tool, tie back long hair and remove any loose jewelry and accessories wherever possible. Some of this tool's attachments may be sharp or produce dust when they come into contact with the material you're working with. For this reason, all makers using this tool must wear eye protection, either your own eyeglasses or a pair of our safety glasses. If you plan to do a lot of sanding or grinding, or you're just sensitive to dust, you may also want to bring a face mask or a respirator from home. In case of injury, immediately call 911 and notify staff. A first aid kit is also available at the workshop's front desk in case of an emergency. And a quick reminder, this is an expert maker's tool, which means that in addition to this training video, each and every maker operating the machine will need to complete a safety waiver, which covers the use of all our expert maker's tools for 1 year. Minors under the age of 18 will need a parent or a guardian to help them complete this form, which you can fill out entirely online at cfpl.info/waiver. Additionally, expert makers under the age of 10 must be accompanied by another expert maker at least 13 years of age. Okay, let's get making. This tool uses a rechargeable battery system, so along with the tool itself, you'll receive a rechargeable battery and an adapter. To assemble the power hub, just slide the adapter onto your battery until you hear a click. Before you plug the angle grinder into the power hub, you'll need to choose the right wheel for your project. The workshop offers several wheels for sanding, grinding, and cutting, or you can bring any of your own standard angle grinder blades from home. For additional compatibility information, you can check out the complete manual at cfpl.info/angle grinder manual or visit the manufacturer's website at works.com. To attach a tool, simply press down the lock button on the side of the angle grinder to hold the spindle steady, then use the provided Allen wrench to loosen the screw and the flange from the spindle. Place the wheel you'd like to use on the spindle, then replace the flange and the screw. For your safety, never change the wheel on the angle grinder while it is connected to the power hub, even if it isn't powered on. Now you can plug the angle grinder into the power hub by connecting the cable to the socket at the base of the tool. When you're ready to start making, press the power button on the top of the power hub and use the knob to adjust the speed of the wheel. To prevent damage to the tool, be sure to apply only light pressure to the material you're working with and stop immediately if you notice any grinding or sticking in the motor. When you're finished, turn the tool off and disconnect it from the power hub. Press the release button on the battery to separate it from the adapter before returning it to staff. Congratulations! You're now an expert maker. If you want to learn more about everything our angle grinder can do, you can find the complete manual on our website at cfpl.info/angle grinder manual or visit works.com for more information and tutorials direct from the manufacturer. The workshop is made possible by the generous support of the Concord Free Public Library Corporation, a nonprofit organization supported by makers like you. Learn more about all the corporation does to make our library awesome and how you can help at cfplcorp.org. And if you just can't get enough making, be sure to check out the workshop's full library of maker tools and upcoming classes and events at cfpl.info/workshop. Bye-bye.